stand up. South side, we gon' set this party off right. West side, we gon' set this party off right. Man, I promise. She's so self-conscious. She has no idea what she's doing in college. That major that she majored in don't make no money, but she won't drop out. Her parents will look at her funny. Now, tell me.
So if you're seeing this right now, you're probably a travel lover, a digital nomad, an influencer, or just someone who wants to make some extra money. Well, listen very carefully, because what I tell you over the next 60 seconds could literally change your life. Hey, how's it going? David Acosta here, live from the beautiful Maldives. Now, I've been in the travel industry for over a decade, and over those years I've learned so many amazing secrets that have helped me to earn multiple six figures in the travel industry. But more importantly, I've been able to travel to beautiful destinations all over the world like this for a fraction of the price, saving up to 80% on my personal holidays by accessing staff travel rates. Also, earning 70% of the commissions on all the travel I've booked for friends and family through my own travel booking website. So many people around the world, thousands of people, are dying to try and find out how to do this, how they can get involved as well. And we're going to show you right here, right now. The truth is, it's not just a website, it's a system. But this system has to be taught by those people who've cracked the code of travel. Now, I've helped thousands of people become very successful in the travel industry, but I did it all offline, face-to-face trainings and coaching sessions in person. But for the first time ever, I've gathered my top 5 travel experts. We've come together and created something special, the Travel Pro Bootcamp. Now, we are launching this amazing bootcamp in February for all new starters. It's been hosted by 6- and 7-figure earning leaders and travel experts, and it's going to be mind-blowing. We are going to walk you through an exclusive 6-step formula on how you can make a lot of money booking travel. This team of trainers are elite, and this system is not available for anyone other than who they select. So, if you would like to access this incredible free bootcamp, click the link below, fill out a short form, and find out how you can get enrolled today.